Hello guys, this app is designed to analyze and personalize your content. This is the sign up page if you are not having account, and you can go to login section. This is the login page. By logging in, you will get the home page, which is the interface. Here you can see everyone post. This is the notification, and you will get a notification bar there. You can see all the notifications which you are having. And next we will go to the content profile page. This is the post. You can upload your photos like content. This is the vlogger page where you can create an articles, and this is the barcast, which is known as broadcast. You can upload the videos. And next we'll go to the tools. There are five type of tools: customize, drag and drop, color, room, and background remover. These are the 5 tools which you can use. And next we'll go to the analysis is you can analyze your content here. And this is the message page where you can text with someone. Here you can analyze again. And this is the setting page. We have to develop this page little more.